Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. As a store owner, you know how important it is to show the right upsell at the right time. Using our rule engine, you are able to only show upsell offers to customers based on conditions. In FunnelKit, your upsells are made of an upsell step, which contains one or more upsell offers. So think of your upsell step as grouping a set of offers. By clicking on the upsell step, you can specify rules that control when the offers inside the upsell step will be presented to your customers during the upselling process. Using the extensive options here in the rule engine, you can ensure your customer sees the offer they're most likely to say yes to. Here are some additional things to know. This is a very robust FunnelKit feature. Just look at all these options you have available to you when creating rules. And with that, if needed, you can create some complex upsell logic by stacking conditions together. Also, click Create Rule Group to set a second set of conditions. Now your upsell offers will show if Group 1's conditions are met or Group 2's conditions are met. You can even add a third rule group. The options are endless. With FunnelKit, you can add more than one upsell step. Set conditions on each upsell step to show highly targeted upsells based on what your customer has bought at checkout. FunnelKit's one-click upsells help you turn your store into an upselling machine, and that's just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.